We got some roasted Brussels sprouts right here with some caramelized onions. These are roasted patty pan squash. We got some wild rice, local caught halibut, some Verlasso salmon, little lemon on the side for seasoning. We got a pappardelle with some garbanzo beans and tomatoes and some summer squash in there. Lentil soup and some green beans almondine with some onions and almonds and some brown butter. Some stuffed 8-ball squash from JR Organics. There's like, what's in there? Garbanzo beans, lentils, a couple different kinds of veggies, things like that. I got a blackened chicken or Cajun chicken, regular chicken breast, some charred broccolini, roasted beets, and lentil and veggie enchiladas.
Oh shit, okay.
With a whole bunch of cheese on top.
Nice.
Oh, and there's some roasted pepper hummus right there too. So.
Sounds good. Thank you.
One of the things I talk about in 12 Rules for Life, and in my lectures, this has become a meme, strangely enough, something that's widely distributed on the web, partly because there's a comical element to it. It's to clean up your room. And everyone laughs about that because I'm taking that seriously. It's like, well, clean up your room. Everyone's mother has told them that 1,000 times, right? But I try to explain why. It's like, well, you have a bit of chaotic potential right in front of you. It's in some sense infinite in its potential, and the domain in which you can manipulate that might be rather restricted because of the restrictions that are part and parcel of your existence. But maybe you have your room. It isn't a room, it's a place of potential. And as soon as you know that, then it's not your room anymore. It isn't a room. The room that you see is your preconception of the space that you inhabit. What's there is a fragment of infinity. That's what's there. And what you see is the low resolution consequence of your assumption and lazy habit and blindness.
Bastante desde morro bien movido, las cosas salieron bien. Gracias a Dios ya ando bien vestido, ahora en restaurantes finos y un deportivo también. Recuerdo antes no traía ni un 5, siempre andaba pensativo, valorar lo que logré. Defendió Dios, un corte fino navegando. Mi primer millón que yo gané, gracias a Dios. Reloj jublón, defendió Dios, un corte fino navegando. Hey.
I think so.
Oh, the person said that farmer's dog is not a good.
Oh yeah, that's what you use.
Oh, is that?
Rigging. Listen to this shit. You're nervous. You got that adrenaline pumping.
Muévete mi mujer, muévete bien bonito. Muévete mi mujer, Cuba pa' Puerto Rico. Muévete mi mujer, muévete bien bonito. Muévete
Where's my choochers?
Especially with each other.
One of my direct subordinates, one of my guys that worked for me, he would call me up or pull me aside with some major problem, some issue that was going on, and he'd say, "Boss, we got this and that and the other thing," and I'd look at him and I'd say, "Good." And finally one day he was telling me about some issue that he was having, some problem, and he said, "I already know what you're gonna say." And I said, "Well, what am I gonna say?" He said, "You're gonna say good." He said, "That's what you always say. When something is wrong and going bad, you always just look at me and say good." And I said, "Well, yeah. When things are going bad, there's going to be some good that's going to come from it. Didn't get the new high-speed gear we wanted? Good. Didn't get promoted? Good. More time to get better. Oh, mission got canceled? Good. We can focus on another one. Didn't get funded. Didn't get the job you wanted. Got injured. Sprained my ankle. Got tapped out? Good. Got beat? Good. You learned. Unexpected problems? Good. We have the opportunity to figure out a solution. That's it. When things are going bad, don't get all bummed out. Don't get startled. Don't get frustrated. If you can say the word good, guess what? It means you're still alive. It means you're still breathing. And if you're still breathing, well then hell, you still got some fight left in you. So get up, dust off, reload, recalibrate, re-engage, and go out on the attack.